In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to remove email address on Facebook account. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the menu page. Then click on the settings icon given at the top right. Now head over to the section Account Center. Then click on the option See More in Account Center. Here you're gonna find different option. Head over to the option Personal Details. Now click on the option Contact Info. Here you're going to find the list of the email address and the phone number that is linked with your account. In order to remove it, click on the email address, then select Delete Email. Click on Delete. With that, you'll be getting code in the phone number that is linked with your account. Once you type in that code, the email address will be removed. In case you have only one email address connected to your Facebook account, you won't be able to remove it. In order to be able to remove the email address, you'll need to connect your Facebook account to the another email address or the phone number, and that's it. This way you are able to remove email address on Facebook account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.